Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I found a customer on the side of the road and she needed some help, so I decided to pull over because I'm a nice guy like that. Today we have a 2006 Nissan Pathfinder. We did the diagnostics on it and it's a wheel bearing that went out, so we are going to go ahead and replace that right now. So right now we're going to time lapse it so that way you guys don't have to watch the boring stuff. We are going to go ahead and take the hub off so that way we can go over to our parts dealer and we need to figure out which one it is because there's two different sizes for it. So guys, we got some heat cracks on here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna figure out what's going on here. Having some technical difficulties here. Got the socket stuck on the screw, so bolt, sorry, it's my apology. Well guys, we're gonna clean up here for the night. I ended up breaking two ratchets, two sockets, and I ended up smashing my finger because this thing's been a pain in the butt. I broke two ratchets, two sockets, a swivel, 3 screwdrivers, 5 flashlights, you guys. Oh yeah, and I almost dropped the car on me, you guys. Almost electrocuted myself. Broke the electric impact. My dad is gonna kill me because I broke his brand new ratchet. And I dropped the last can of brake clean and it went everywhere. But we are gonna do a part 2, so you guys stay tuned and make sure you guys just like and subscribe. And I broke my pride.